मेरे प्यारे बच्चों नमस्ते. टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू रीड क्लास 5 English book Marigold, Unit 5, page number 78, The Lazy Frog. Please open your book and try to read with me. The Lazy Frog. The Lazy Frog. On a school day, you are busy studying. You are busy studying, playing, and chatting with friends. With friends. When you have a holiday, from school, what do you do? What do you do? Would you behave a little like the frog? Would you behave a little like the dog in the following poem? Now let us start. Fred is a very lazy frog. Fred is a very lazy frog who lolls all day upon a log. Who lolls all day upon a log. He always manages to shirk. He always manages to shirk doing a single stroke of work. Doing a single stroke of work. His poor old mother calls in vain. Come in and help. Come in and help. He does not bother. To move 2 inches. To move 2 inches. Much preferring to be extremely hard of hearing. To be extremely hard of hearing. He lies there in a silent heap. He lies there in a silent heap. And stays conveniently asleep. And stays conveniently asleep. If a lady frog hops past, you would think he would get up at last. To bow and help her on her way. To bow and help her on her way. But no, I am ashamed to say. But no, I am ashamed to say that when a lady frog comes by, that when a lady frog comes by, that when a lady frog comes by, he does not open up one eye. He does not open up one eye. And this is the end. My dear children, you are not reading well, you are not studying well. Again, I am requesting you to please read and make the videos and send it to me so that I can check whether you are studying well or not. Okay? Thank you. Thanks once again. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.